Hey folks, today we're diving into the exciting world of smartphone innovation, where Motorola is turning heads with its latest groundbreaking concept. Known for pushing the boundaries with foldable phones, they dropped a bombshell at their recent Tech World conference. Get ready to be blown away by a phone that's not just your average device. It's a futuristic marvel that can bend, flex, and transform to suit your needs. Imagine a smartphone that can shapeshift into a sleek digital bangle, effortlessly blending technology with style. Motorola isn't just shaking up the smartphone game, they're rewriting the rules altogether. So, buckle up as we explore this incredible new frontier in mobile technology. Motorola has introduced a cool new idea called the Adapt Display. It's basically a 6.9-inch flexible screen that can do all sorts of things. You can use it flat like a tablet, prop it up like a mini TV, or even wrap it around your wrist like a huge smartwatch. The best part? It runs on Android just like any other phone, so you can browse the web, watch videos, and chat with friends like normal. Picture this. You're out and about, and instead of digging through your pocket for your phone, you just snap a quick photo or check your emails right from your wrist. Easy peasy. The Motorola bendable phone showcased at Mobile World Congress. According to CET Andy Lang's son, who presented the technology, this phone is like a dream wrist accessory. It functions as a regular flat candy bar style phone, but can bend around your wrist, essentially becoming a futuristic wearable. Motorola dubs it the adaptive display concept, which they teased last year. In its flat form, it resembles a typical Android phone, with a fabric-covered back for comfort. You can use it just like any other phone, navigating through apps and social media. When you're ready to store it, you bend it into an arch shape and wear it on your wrist using a magnetic strap, reminiscent of a watch strap. The phone attaches magnetically to the strap to stay in place. In wrist mode, the interface resembles that of the Motorola Razr, plus its cover screen. To switch back to phone mode, you simply detach it from your wrist, fold it flat, and you're good to go. But there's more. The bendable design also allows it to serve as its own kickstand, making it convenient for video calls or watching videos when placed on a table. This concept is a real game changer because it combines the convenience of a smartphone with the versatility of a wearable gadget. It's like having a mini computer right on your arm. Plus, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities for how we use technology in our daily lives. Who knows, maybe soon we'll all be rocking flexible screens on our wrists like something out of a sci-fi movie. The future is definitely looking bright with innovations like this from Motorola. Motorola hasn't spilled all the beans yet on the nitty-gritty details like what makes this phone tick, how long the battery lasts, and other important stuff. There's still a lot we don't know about this concept. And that's a wrap on our coverage of Motorola's groundbreaking adaptive display concept. What do you make of this innovative idea? Can you picture yourself using a device like this in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech news. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.